Alright, so we heat it up until it shrinks really well. So you can look now, you can see it shrinking down on the post. So that's the tar adhering to the post really good. Then after we get done doing that, we'll come in, you'll see one of the guys, he'll smooth it over with a wet roller, kind of a wet sponge roller. You have to make sure it's wet. And yeah, so this is the process that will waterproof your post at the ground level. At the ground level. And so now you can see I'm smoothing it out, making sure we get it good and adhered. So you can see a little bit of the tar squeezing out there. And so as it cools down, it's gonna adhere to that post and you cannot get that off. And so there we have a little bit of an air bubble. And he'll squeeze that out. There we go. There you see the post saver in action. So it's going to reheat a little bit to get a little more, get it adhered at the bottom a little better. Alright. So that one is done. So we do every one like that. And as you can see here, stack them up. And it's very durable. And here we have a whole load of them finished. This is going for one of the fences that we're building, 300 feet. And some of you guys may be asking, why don't we put it all the way down? Well, here's the deal. So your fungi and bacteria, things that eat the wood, they need oxygen and water and then somewhere to live. So they live in the dirt, and so they live right at the ground level. Below the ground level, it's more anaerobic, meaning there's not as much oxygen. There's still some oxygen, but they really like to live here where there's warmth, it's wet, and they can live there really well. So what we do is we protect only the part that's near the ground contact, near the surface where the ground contact and the surface meet. So that's the part we'll protect. Here, if you ever pull a fence post out, this is usually never rotten. It might be soft, but it's never to the point of just breaking over. It's always right at the ground level where it's at the point of breaking over. So that's why we don't treat the whole entire post. And the post saver sleeves are meant to be used in this application.